In the name of Allah. Hello, my dear students in distance learning by Mr. Mus'ad Sabir and the English supervisor, Mr. Ahmed Shribin. Al-Aus Private School for Boys. Our lesson today is for Traveler 2, lesson 14, page 27, vocabulary and grammar. Now, my dear students, let's look at the lesson for today on page 27 in your notes. Open your notes on page 27 and follow me to read the words and explain the grammar. At first, let's read the words. But please, my dear students, repeat after me. Okay, let's start. Colleagues, colleagues. Register, register. Disgusting, disgusting. Reserve, reserve. Paramedic, paramedic. Routine, routine. Sweet, sweet. Feed, feed. Complaint, complaint. Rescue, squad, rescue, squad. Okay, my dear students, these are our vocabularies. Let's go to the grammar for today. Our grammar for today is about the past perfect simple. At first, let's see or explain the formation for the past perfect simple. Its form is had plus past participle. Had plus past participle. When I want to make a sentence in the past perfect simple, I must start the sentence with subject, noun or pronoun, then had and past participle. Like you see in the example, he had done homework by the midday. Here the subject pronoun is he, followed by had and the past participle, done. It's the third form of the word or of the verb do. Do, did, done. We must use after had the third form, like you see in the verb do. Here we can't use do or did, but we must use the third form, done. Okay, in negative, when I want to negate the sentence in the past perfect simple, I use hadn't plus past participle. We put after had not, or the short form of not, like you see, to become hadn't, and followed by the past participle. Like you see in the example, he hadn't done homework by the midday. This sentence is the same for the first one. He had done homework by the midday. When I want to change it into negative, I say he hadn't done homework by the midday. Here we use the subject pronoun he and hadn't, then we put after it the third form of do to become, like you see, done. Okay, when I want to ask a question in the past perfect simple, we must follow this rule. If the answer starts with yes or no, if the answer starts with yes or no, we must start the question with helping verb, and the helping verb in the past perfect simple is had. So the sentence or the question must be like this: had plus subject plus past participle plus complement or the complete sentence. Like you see, he hadn't. If we put here yes, how can we ask? We ask like this: had he done the homework by the midday? This is the question from this sentence. When I put yes in the beginning, I must start the question with had and put the subject noun or pronoun after had, like you see, had he. And after that, the past participle done and complete the sentence. Okay, let's go to the use or usage for the past perfect simple. We use the past perfect simple for an action which took place before a specific point in time or another action in the past. And the second action is in the past simple, but the first action is in the past perfect simple. Like you see in the example, he had already called me before he left the house. Here, the first action is called me and the second is left the house. So we put the first action or the first verb in the past perfect simple, like you see, to become had already called, and the second leave the house, we put it in the past simple or in the second form. Like you see, left, it comes from leave. Okay, this another example. She had finished her homework by 8 o'clock. Here he wants to say that the girl or she finished the homework before this time, 8 o'clock. So her finishing homework is the first action, so we must put in the past perfect. Like you see, she had finished her homework by 8 o'clock. Okay, another example. The train had left by the time we arrived at the station. Here the first action is the train left, and the second is arriving to or at the station. So we must put the first action or verb in the past perfect symbol to become like this: the train had left by the time we, and the second action in the past symbol, like you see, arrived. Okay, there are some time expressions we must use with the past perfect symbol. If we see them in the sentence, like I explained, we know that the sentence must be in the past perfect symbol. They are already, ever, never, just, by, before, after, when, by the time. Okay, my dear students, this is our lesson for today. In the end, I'd like to thank you for your follow. I hope you repeated the words correctly after me and understood how to ask and answer using the past perfect symbol. Thank you, and wait me in the next video with exercises page 28. Goodbye.